Hello everybody, how is your day going? So we're about to watch a new episode of Motherland Fort Salem. I'm so sorry that it took me a little bit to keep uploading videos again. It's just that they took one of my wisdom tooth out and I've been, not in good conditions. But we left things off with basically Scylla doing some buju bullshit on her ex, which basically caused him to die. I think Raelle is now gonna start suspecting a little bit of her, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen here. I'm a little bit stressed, because I'm starting to ship them, but obviously this is going downhill, the moment she finds out about Scylla. But anyways, we'll see what happens. I hope you enjoy this video. I want you to tell me in the comments who your favorite character is this season. Who's the person you've liked the most. For the moment, I feel like I've been enjoying a lot Raelle, but I've been enjoying lately Tally. I don't know. She's funny, she's witty. We're gonna see lots of character development within her. We'll see what happens. But yeah, let's just get to it.
You could have died.
No shit, woman. That's good positive thinking,
Feelings.
Oh, is she gonna find out about Scylla because of this?
I don't think you wanted to die.
Oh, surprise.
Cancel Beltane.
Oh my god, that was funny.
I trust you to make the right choice. Is there any of all the rooms while Beltane is going on? See if you can find anything. Excellent.
I mean, I don't think you're gonna find anything on Scylla, but the tension between these two. You know how you can solve this tension? By hooking up.
However you wish to participate, be honored.
What's going on with him?
Exactly what. Don't let me hear her name out of your dirty fetid mouth again.
Look at her protecting her. Aww, my family. She's like, you're getting soft on her. He was like, that's still a bitch, don't trust her.
Try to save him. That was your first.
Man, Scylla.
That's how you make shame.
She's going to be so pissed and heartbroken when she finds out, Oof. I don't want to even imagine the fight.
There is no way he's that big.
His penis?
It's private.
Jesus, why would you? Is this the way we send nudes now? Oh man. No. Oh, she's so funny.
She needs a different dress.
Aww.
It's true.
I'm loving this banter. They're becoming now a family,
Once the body's prepared,
Just for you, Scylla.
allow us to communicate with this young man and discover the last things he saw and heard.
Are you kidding me?
Need to keep
Honey, you're about to get caught.
thinking of my mother, Willa.
Oh shit, here we go.
We're gonna be late for training if we don't have her instead. She wouldn't be the first.
She's like, join the list.
We're almost where we need to be.
Honestly, woman, you should show a little bit of support, Like, Jesus Christ. Nah, man, it bothers me, when people are so tough on their daughters and sons. Like, that's gonna get you nowhere, just them ending up hating you for the rest of your life, I know, man. The fact that they get so whipped by just a man looking at them, she's like, nope. Oh no, we're gonna have a mental breakdown? Ooh, she's gonna find out. Oh my god. What? Oh.
You're not even trying.
I was like, what kind of alien is this now? How do you think she's gonna react? I don't know, I don't see her getting pissed, just very fucking disappointed. Will she scream? I don't know. I would punch her. Look at you, girl. You're looking pretty.
That I wasn't meant to be.
Honestly, the fact that I have to fight to get this dude's attention is just dumb to me.
There are other men. This is your time to explore and grow and
Yeah.
all the things you
Girl, but you cannot go behind this bitch's ass, you know? Who doesn't even, like, if he really wanted to be with you, he would have been. He would not be flirting with other people.
Sorry, do you not sense I'm not interested
Ooh, now we're talking.
Thank you for that.
Your friend, or were you in love with your friend?
I'm so sorry to see you that night.
Mmm. 1 and 1.
Yes.
Free.
Excuse me, Zilla, it's about Porter.
Honey, you're about to get exposed.
What are you implying? Did something
Don't play the victim card.
No, that's there's so bad.
Girl, that's only gonna make her go and look for answers more, you know? Oh, Jesus.
The real is not.
What are we doing? Hit it, girl. Oh, this is very cool. Ooh, I really like these guys. This is so cool. I love this. She's still, whoa, living her best life, you know. That was so cool, guys. I love how we saw men and men dancing with each other, you know, and woman and woman. Oh, that was really cool. Don't resurrect again. Taka taka tonight, you know? You're gonna go for it. Go and get that D, girl. You deserve it, you know? We're gonna do it right there in public. Why not? Is everyone having a public orgy? Like, Jesus, I know everyone is like, go and bang, but okay. Didn't know they were so open. Everyone is banging, having the best night of their lives, and then Raelle is just like, you know, having a mental breakdown with a gay friend. It's so relatable.
Have you ever been in love?
Oh shit, we're going there. True. True, true, true. Who's... Jesus. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Is that her room? Damn, Jesus Christ. So nothing? Oh. No, come on. She got away with this one. Good job.
No. Is it physical?
Oh my god.
What you've done. Don't need that. Beltane.
Sex. No. I really love that they're, you know, getting along much better, you know? Ah, surprise.
And I want to tell you some other truths.
Girl, dude, like, the thing that pisses me off is, like, you just keep lying to her, you know? Like, they're beautiful and I ship them, but can you please stop lying to her?
But I'm trying. I don't know if I'm ever...
She won me with that fucking speech, you know? Fuck. Right, they're so fucking cute and so for each other. I hate them. He's a nice person, you know?
See? No attacks.
Excuse me, there's still 3 minutes left of this episode, okay?
For now, Sarah.
Yeah. Oh my god, Jesus. They're gonna become friends. Simba! Look at my bitch. What are we doing? Oh, that's not her. So we have another one? Jesus!
Supposed to be luring her to us. To you.
To us? Dude. And I was like, woo, they're gonna get it on again, okay. Oh man, Jesus, this is a mess. I'm kind of getting the feeling that I think she's been forced into this situation, you know, like, I don't know, maybe this is not what she wants to do with her life. Like, I don't see her as this big ass follower, you know, to the spree. I don't know. Damn, man. That was intense. That was a good episode. I really loved the dance scene, you know. It was really, really cool. I liked it. The way they... I don't know, I really liked it. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more reactions. And I'll see you guys another day. Bye.